Swim City is Lifesaving Victoria's free, exciting game-based learning experience that teaches kids how to stay safe in, on, and around water. Time's up. 20 seconds is all it takes. Whether it's at home, the pool, on a farm, or at rivers, lakes, or beaches. It has 3 different levels of difficulty across 5 locations and is guided by our engaging characters, Finn, Pod, and Splashy. Kids of all ages can play it alone or with family and friends. As your child completes each location, they'll be awarded water safety superhero badges while learning vital life skills. And if they get distracted, they can pick up where they left off on their next visit. Helping Victorian kids to stay safe in, on, and around water is an essential part of their education and sets them up for a life of safe, water-based fun. Dive into Swim City now.